Welcome to this gentle reset meditation. Take a moment to settle into your space. Whether you're lying down, sitting upright, or resting against a cushion, allow your body to soften into stillness as you arrive here just as you are. Let your hands rest wherever they feel most natural. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes. Or if you prefer, just soften your gaze wherever you are. Take a slow breath in through the nose and a long, easy exhale out through the mouth. Again, breathe in softly and exhale fully. Begin to feel the weight of your body supported from beneath. There is nothing for you to hold in your body. The support is there beneath you. There's nothing for you to control. Just allow yourself to be in this moment and take time to clear a little space within. Bring your awareness to your breath, not changing it, just simply noticing. Feel the inhale rise gently through the ribs and feel the exhale melt through your spine. With each breath, imagine you are creating just a little more space in the ribs, the belly, the chest, the whole torso. Inhale, spaciousness. Exhale, release. Inhale, spaciousness. Exhale, release. begin to follow a rhythm where you inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. As you lengthen your exhale, this signals to the nervous system that it's safe to relax. And if the counting feels stressful, simply return to your natural breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue on your own. Now imagine a soft wave sweeping through your body, clearing away heaviness, tightness, or stagnant energy. With each inhale, the wave brings lightness. With each exhale, it washes away what you no longer need. Let the breath become your gentle reset. Relax your awareness and just pause here for a few moments of silence with a natural breath. When you're ready, deepen your inhale. Feel your fingers and toes gently waking. And slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of spaciousness with you into the rest of your day.